Welcome to GPL Capital Talks on Tuesday, a weekly podcast, bringing to you an interesting talk related to finance every week. Stay tuned. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment. Hello and hi everyone, and welcome to our Talks on Tuesday, a weekly podcast. This is our episode number 57. Today we will be talking to you about 5 reasons why stagger investment for the first time investors. And today we have with us Tushar Patil, Research Analyst, Mutual Fund. Hello Tushar.
Hi Lakshmi.
Tushar is having more than 10 years of experience in doing mutual fund research and ranking of mutual fund. So Tushar, please tell our podcast listeners 5 reasons why systematic staggered investment is suitable for the first time investors. Here you go Tushar.
Thanks a lot for the introduction. It was Benjamin Franklin who said, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. What he mean basically with regards to investments is plan and make regular investments and achieve your different financial goals. Today's topic for podcast is related to staggered investments. So let's first understand what is meant by SIP, that is systematic investment plan. A systematic investment plan is an investment mode through which you can invest in mutual funds. As the term indicates, it is a systematic method of investing fixed amounts of money periodically. This can be done monthly, quarterly or semi-annually. When you invest steadily in this manner, it can become easier to meet your financial goals.
Okay, can you please explain the benefit of systematic investment for the first time investors?
Here are 5 benefits of systematic investment for the first time investors. First, convenience. SIP can be a convenient mode of investing. Like most investors, you may not have the time for extensive market research and analysis to adjust or rebalance your portfolio. Hence, once you select a good fund, you can give standing instructions to the bank and let the SIP take care of your regular investments. Second benefit is low initial investment. You can invest in mutual funds through a SIP with just Rs 500 per month. This can be an affordable way to invest each month without hurting your wallet. You can increase your monthly investment amount with a rise in your income via SIP step-up facilities. AMCs allow investors to top up their SIPs on a regular basis. So even if you start with Rs 500 or Rs 1000 every month, you can invest more over the years. This strategy can help you reach your investment goals at a faster rate. Third benefit, disciplined investment approach. Staggered investment imparts financial discipline to your life by investing a fixed amount automatically at a fixed interval. Thus, an assured long-term growth for your money can be achieved with a regular and systematic investment approach. Fourth benefit is rupee cost averaging. Investing a fixed amount every month helps you tide over market highs and lows and brings down your average cost per unit. Thus, you buy more units when the market is low and less units when the market is high. Over a period of time, the cost per unit averages out and usually places the investment in a position to earn good returns. Fifth benefit is power of compounding. When you invest over a long-term period and earn returns on the returns earned by your investment, your money would start compounding. This can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. This also means you can benefit more by investing as early as possible. Even a 10-year head start can have a major impact on your returns.
Okay, but it is very complicated, Tushar. Can you please explain power of compounding with an example?
Sure, Lakshmi. Suppose there are 4 investors, Naveen, Smita, Sachin and Meera. Naveen is a 20-year-old guy, Smita 30-year-old, Sachin 40-year-old and Meera is a 50-year-old female. All of them invest Rs 5,000 per month in equity funds through SIP. Assuming that all remains invested till the age of 60, The portfolio they had invested had delivered 12% CAGR returns. The total earning and gain from the portfolios would be as follows. So this table clearly shows that the exponential nature of SIP returns. Here Sachin's overall investment rupees 12 lakh is exactly half of Naveen's investment, that is rupees 24 lakh. However, his wealth creation is way behind that of Naveen's. Therefore, the earlier you start investing, higher is the probability that you could grow your final corpus significantly.
Oh, that's great. Can you tell our podcast listeners various ways of doing systematic investment?
There are various ways in which systematic investment can be made. First is to simply do SIP with the help of your savings bank account. Second is STP, that is systematic transfer plan, where you park funds in liquid or debt scheme and systematically transfer it in respective equity scheme. And the third is to do a smart staggering, in which is a starting level of whatever you enter, and whenever you see volatility or correction of 2% in the market, you put in more money.
Oh wow, that really sounds good. Systematic investment really helps in creating a big corpus to achieve different goals in life cycle. Tushar, please suggest some mutual fund schemes for the first time investors so they can start investing.
Recommended mutual fund schemes for the first time investors are: first, HDFC Index Fund Nifty 50 Plan; second, Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund; and third, Kotak ESG Opportunities Fund.
Thank you so much, Tushar. I hope this was an informative podcast for all our listeners. The topic for the next week talks on Tuesday will be 3 reasons why invest in a miner's name. Hope to see you then, and don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe on YouTube. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Telegram, for where we will try and make investing simple for you all. Thank you.